Hello, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I've gathered my lessons into one place so you can practice your English anytime and anywhere. I'm so glad you're here again because it means you're serious about improving your English. It means you're showing up for yourself, and that's exactly where progress begins. Today, we're going to practice spoken English using one of the most powerful learning techniques, shadowing. If you're new to shadowing, here's a quick explanation. You'll hear me say a sentence slowly and clearly, then I'll pause so you can repeat it out loud, copying my rhythm and flow. You're not just memorizing words, you're training your mouth, your voice, and your confidence. Shadowing may seem simple, but it works because it builds real habits. It helps you think directly in English, speak without translating, and sound more natural every day. Many learners ask me, how can I become fluent in English? The answer is right here. Listen, repeat, and practice daily. Even 5 minutes of shadowing can create big changes. You don't need perfection, you just need consistency. So wherever you are, at home, in your room, walking, or studying, make this time yours. Forget stress, forget fear, forget grammar rules for now. Just speak. Feel your voice growing stronger, one sentence at a time. Are you ready? Let's begin. Morning routine. I usually wake up around 6:30. Sometimes I wake up later if I went to bed late. When I open my eyes, I take a deep breath and stretch. I stay in bed for a few seconds and think about my day. Then I sit up and go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth slowly and carefully. I rinse my mouth and wash my face with cold water. Cold water helps me feel fresh and awake. Sometimes I take a quick shower if I feel tired. After my shower, I dry off and change into clean clothes. If I have a meeting, I choose something more formal. Then I go to the kitchen to make breakfast. I usually eat eggs and toast with some fruit. Sometimes I eat oatmeal with honey and banana. If I'm in a hurry, I just drink tea or coffee. Daily life and work. Before leaving the house, I check my phone. I look at the time and read any new messages. I check my calendar to see my plan for the day. I pack my bag with a notebook and a water bottle. Then I put on my shoes and go out the door. If I go to work or school, I take the bus or walk. I greet people politely when I arrive. I check my emails and reply to the urgent ones. Then I write a short to-do list. I focus on my most important task first. In the afternoon, I continue my work or studies. I try to finish what I started earlier. Around 3:30, I take a break with tea and a small snack. If I have time, I study English for 15 minutes. Common situations. Do you have this in a different size? How much does this cost? Can I pay by card? I would like a paper bag, please. Thank you. Have a nice day. Can I see the menu, please? I will have a cup of coffee. Could I get it without sugar? Can I sit here? The food smells amazing. The service was excellent. Can I get the bill, please? How are you doing today? It's nice to see you again. The weather is really nice today. I had a busy morning. Do you come here often? Let's stay in touch. Affirmations for confidence. Practice makes progress. I believe in my ability to improve. Every day brings new learning opportunities. Speaking English gets easier with practice. I feel more confident when I speak out loud. Listening carefully improves my understanding. Small daily improvements lead to big success. Mistakes help me grow. My English is getting stronger every day. I enjoy the process of learning and growing. I trust the process and stay motivated. English is becoming part of my daily life.
I celebrate every step forward. Confidence makes speaking feel natural. I am proud of my progress, no matter how small.
Amazing work today. You showed up, you practiced, and you took another step toward becoming a confident English speaker. Remember, fluency doesn't happen all at once. It grows slowly, sentence by sentence, habit by habit. The more you shadow, the more natural your English becomes. So don't wait for the perfect accent or the perfect moment. Start with what you have and let it grow. Use this video daily. Shadow it again and speak out loud. You're not just studying English, you're becoming a speaker. I'm proud of you. Keep practicing, keep believing, and I'll see you in the next video.